There are reasons why you may not get rich because you lack these four things. What are the four things? Follow me. Let me explain all of them to you. All right. Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to share with you four reasons why you may not get rich. Follow me. There are four major reasons, four simple major reasons why many people may not get rich. Not because they don't have money, not because they don't work for money, but because they don't know these four things. Follow me. What are these things? Follow me. Number one, financial intelligence. What do I mean by financial intelligence? I'm talking about the ability to acquire and execute accurate knowledge in finances. The ability to what? Acquire knowledge and execute accurate knowledge in finances. It does not just means that you acquired knowledge. You must have the ability to also execute that knowledge. It's what we call financial intelligence. It is also the ability to analyze figures in accounting science by being able to calculate profit, liquidity, leverage, loss, wear and tear, debt, damages, ROI, that we call return on investment, and many more other financial measurement skills, even like balance sheets, cash flow, account statement, ledger, single and double entry ledger, all those things, all those simple financial skills. These are what contribute to what we call financial intelligence. Financial intelligence does not mean that you must necessarily be a businessman or you necessarily become an accounting personality or an accountant. No, what it means that you have the basic knowledge to uh to transact and also analyze financial accounting science. It is the ability to understand what it means to buy, what it means to sell, what it means to record, what it means to be in profit, what it means to have liquidity, what it means to have leverage, what it means to have loss, what it means to calculate the wear and tear, what it means to calculate debt and damages, return on investment, and all of that. And also, you can have the ability to also do some little financial skills like balance sheet, ledger, double entry, column cash book, all of those things. It is simple skills everybody must know if you want to get rich. You see, wealth is like building a block. It's like building a house, block upon block, bricks upon bricks. And all these financial intelligence are what culminate to the technicality of building your wealth every day. So if you don't have this financial intelligence, you may probably not get rich. Not because you don't have money, but because you don't have the intelligence to manage those money and put them in places where they benefit both your now and also your future. Number two, you don't have financial planning. Many people does not plan their finances. And what is financial planning? It means that you have the ability to identify your needs and objectives and gather information, analyze information, and develop plan, or what we call plan presentation, and also implement the plan and review your progress over time. You may not get that, but I will explain. Financial planning means that you have the ability to what? Identify what you need versus your wants, and then you identify your objectives, then you gather information around those things, and then you analyze those information, and then you develop a plan or on the information you've analyzed, and then you what implement the plan, and then you begin to review your progress at every time. So it means that you have the ability to evaluate and prioritize goals, develop both short-term and long-term financial plan. You monitor your budget and you develop balanced budget to actualize the plan. So financial plan is like you are evaluating both your current and also your future financial plan, maybe in an individual scale or a corporate body, either by assets, by value, by income, or by capital. What am I saying is that if you want a good financial planning, you must learn to know what you need and what you want. That is simple economic understanding what you need versus what you want. And also you must what gather information about it. Then you analyze the information, what you need and what you want, and then you what implement them, and then you begin to review, you are planning. What it means in essence is that, um, for example, let me say I need toothpaste, I need water, I need clothes, I need a shoe, I need uh transport fare. Those are basic needs. What I want is like maybe I want vacation, I want shopping, I want to travel around the world, I want exotic cars, I want a big houses. Those are my needs and those are my wants. I've identified them. The next thing that I have to analyze them, which is more important that I can't survive without, which is supposed to be my need. Then analyze what do I need, and then what do I need. Then you now begin to plan it and be to execute what you need. So need as priority. Normally, I need water, I need clothes, I need food, I need this. You put them in priority, then you analyze your financial plan, your money according to that. So when you have fulfilled all your needs, then you can now go to what you want. So that's what we call financial planning. And whether you are having 100,000 per month, 2,000 per month, 10,000 per month, you are going to fix that money depending on your need and on your want. And most of the time, if your what you are earning is very low, you will not be able to touch your wants. It will evolve around your need. That's what we call financial planning. That means if you want to fund your wants, your need will suffer. I mean, if I want to fund vacation, that means I have to suffer for my food, I have to suffer for my clothing, I have to suffer for my water. Nothing will suffer because I want to fund my what? My wants. So you must, that's what we call financial planning. So the ability to analyze it and know that this thing I can't survive without it, this thing I can survive without it. That's what we call financial planning. People call it financial IQ, but nevertheless, in the good business and accounting and personal finance terms, is what we call financial planning. You gather around vision around what you need and what you want, and you know how to fix money to it one after the other. It's what we call what? Financial planning. The third thing, what we call financial discipline. Financial discipline. That is what many people lack. What is financial discipline? I'm talking about the act of setting specific monetary goals and measuring oneself against how well things are achieved. Financial discipline is what? Setting monetary goals. What are the monetary goals? Your spending and your savings. Your spending and your savings, and measuring yourself on how things is being going. So financial discipline is drive to scrap out excessive spending, your savings patterns, and evaluate your financial status to take quality wise decision. So financial discipline is established. Once financial discipline is established, rather, a person can further step into what we call financial independence, because financial discipline is what will give you financial independence. When you receive money, you know what you are spending and you know what you have to save. What we call financial discipline, that you don't spend anyhow. And that stems from financial planning. You don't spend anyhow. If you see somebody who spend anyhow, they don't have financial discipline. They just spend emotionally. They go to market, they spend on anything they want and they like. That is financial indiscipline. You are not frugal. You're not spending with wisdom. So, and this is what many people lack. That's why they're not getting rich. Some people are earning big, but because they lack financial discipline, it look as though they're not earning at all because they spend lavishly. They spend lavishly. They don't have savings onto investment. They don't have savings for lifestyle, and they don't track their spending. It's when they are spending and money about to finish, they begin to realize that they are spent so unwisely. So you must have what? Financial discipline. And the last thing on the board is what we call financial strategy. Financial strategy. What do I mean? Financial strategy means you have an approach or methodology employed to carry out or execute your financial plans based on your already defined goals, vision, or objective, either personal or on business level. So financial strategy improve litigations with spending extra expenses in executing projects or avoiding miscellaneous expenditure that may arise through ignorance, negligence, unawareness, to contain fees and undue expenses. What financial strategy does is that it gives you how to spend the money. How to spend the money. Financial discipline is it will tell you what to spend on. Financial strategy is telling you how to spend it. If you can differentiate the two, you are wise. If you can't, just be following all my videos that I've been dropping all this while, you will get it more better. Financial discipline will tell you what to spend upon and what not to spend upon. That makes it for your life. So after you have found out what to spend upon, you will now go to the last step, what we call financial strategy. Will now tell you how to spend it. Now I have found out that I want to spend, maybe let's say on personal finance now, my personal need. I want to spend on food. Strategy will tell me how to spend it. That means I have 10,000 naira for food per month. How will I spend this? That means, should I be spending on buying food outside or as cooking at home? That will be called financial strategy. Should I be buying okrika for my clothing or I should go to a boutique which is more expensive? That will be called financial strategy. It's calling how to spend it. You may know what to spend upon, but does not know how to spend it, which is very, very important. So many of us does not know how to spend upon, and that is when financial strategy comes in. That you know what to spend on does not mean that you're going to excel on how to spend it. So you must understand these two difference. If you don't understand this very well, start rewatch this video again and comment, like, and subscribe. And also tell me what you don't understand so that my next video can capture it. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.